Akufo-Addo consider obe push omo akọ Supreme Court and amebo chire no. Justice Efia Sewa Botwe, the judge sitting on this case, she's been considered for the Supreme Court. We are talking about Justice Eric Chebafo. That judge now also or the warrant to be so forever and ever. No, that guy, he is being considered. Opejemuche case, he is being considered to the Supreme Court. Justice Benasco Issa, he is also being considered. Me be a profile bebremo. You will see. Me be a profile ha. Oji se Akufo-Addo odi agro or destroy my life. Now there is Justice Asante. He's being considered Supreme Court. Dr. Richard Frimpong, or a Canadian Ghanaian. He still holds a Canadian passport. He was the reason why recently the Supreme Court passed a rule that a dual citizen can be a judge in Ghana. It was because of this guy. They intentionally took the case to court for them to rule before they called this guy to the Supreme Court. Into Mubusa mo say na sa ruling no efri hin e from nowhere there is a ruling say obi oye dual citizen ebetumi ayeden ebetumi aba be judge of Ghana. It was because of this guy. Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo to now he's moving the Supreme Court over 20. Let me show you. Thank you, Mr. S. Obibakaza Kevin Taylor is making it up. Sir, judgment way from the Supreme Court, it was because of this guy, Dr. Wee. Akufo-Addo wants to make him a Supreme Court judge. This is the story I'm talking about. Recent. Go and read the story. Nebusa also say what caused for this? They intentionally took it to court. Akufo-Addo they call court. Persons with dual citizenship can be appointed as Chief Justice, Chief Director, Supreme Court. This was on the 24th of April, 2 months ago. And I'm passing we say Obi okuta Canadian passport, American passport, ebe to my judge or Ghana. It mean po abe Supreme Court judge. It was because of Dr. Frimpong. When I'm in the case the court, go and read. They cooked that story from the Jubilee House and on my Supreme Court, F. Robert Stampe. That guy is going to be made a Supreme Court judge. You are telling me a dual citizen can be a judge, but in the case of Kwesi, he has to go to jail. Oh, how foolish sometimes we can be in Ghana. A dual citizen can be a judge, but Judge Kwesi, who renounced his citizenship, cannot be an MP. Hey, a crow was a bomb crow. I was a bomb crow in the United. Judge Kwesi, who willingly came out, renounced or Canadian citizenship, we want to put him in jail. We have created a room for somebody who has dual citizenship to come to Ghana and be a Chief Justice. A crow was a bomb in sometimes the things I know when I decide to talk about them here and talk about Ghana, the things I know, Jack, nyama mi nimu no hu. Me ka just tuti Akufo-Addo a enye say me tufo is one of the biggest advice I will be abrabom. Me tiam ka say tuti MPP a I am saving you for over 20-50 years. The things I know. So me ka say me kan nyina o show we so a mo ba wo mo sekan wo Ghana. The things, the videos I have, the things. Now, Shadi, just watch this. Besides, let me play this. Shadi, you let's watch this quick. Besides, let me see. What is this even about? Yes, see, and they're sorry, yeah. Omni Bibia ba almost say Kaya ye graduates. Now, Shadi, almost start if you're Santimemu no more sell it story, no. MPP for the 7 days. I graduated kaya for so we be payment, e be makeup, e be the 7 days abe masters ya mo certificate. Kai ye Jimmy Bruta mo account media mo de omo ye hwe. Hwe ade bi omo you we de ye sika ye for ya kwesi hostel Emma within 7 days kaya for na graduate me am certificate ya ye graduation. Adan ya omutumi ye seminar, omutumi ye hairdressing, omutumi ye omopamontade pam kaba. Omutumi ye apino soap 7 days oh esi kaya for no omu nyina kosko esi omu nyina te brofo katwi kaya for na o kasa swade nsi fam kura on tiase no and the kaya for no call ba omia hostel 7 days omu ye kire omu twi anadwo Now kona kaya ni o kan abeda abede afg he ike ope orsete abede again was ana ne ba as a beko obeti kaya ye ni na o kasa twi pa what am say hey 1 week pe and you keep kaya for 3 months then dey e che mo be lectures kaya for the 1 week akosia hairdressing akosia makeup akosia a seamstressing we say tailoring akosia liquid soap 1 week monhwe monhwe de aka media na ya mo hwe de nkwase bi owo hwe
yentie beneficiaries wo mo a enya so mfaso no enkomodie kakra dom tv ene wo mo adi yentie kakra nsa
eni ani da so kra ba wa be me name sister ene me ma nyina na edi enwo wram aboye especially singing parents for no aboye party
ya would say every before ya moi singing parents me say video ya obehwe aka media no asante forum titi radio so mo na say Ghana mumye njintum na ye na ya say Ghana and a singing